Hello, my name is Travis Michelson. I've been the owner of Integrity Cleaning Systems since 2001. And in this video, I want to describe to you the exact steps I'll be using in your home to get you exceptional results with your professional carpet cleaning services. Now, all professional carpet cleaning should have four primary objectives. Number one needs to be dry soil removal. Number two is water soluble soil suspension. Number three is water soluble soil extraction. Number four is the options of stain removal and odor remediations when needed. We start all of our professional carpet cleaning services with our refresher carpet cleaning package. Now this is perfectly designed for light to moderate soil and includes all of the following steps. Number one, for our dry soil removal, we do a heavy duty pre-vacuuming. But it is important to understand that pre-vacuuming needs to be about more than just removing surface debris and surface soil. The goal must be to extract that dry, gritty soil that works its way to the base of your carpet fiber, because that's the soil that actually does the damage and can create permanent wear on your carpet. So to accomplish this, we do need to move the vacuum head quite a bit slower than most of us do to give the suction a chance to pull that dry soil up to the surface and remove it. Once we complete that, we move on to our water-soluble soil suspension. Now, this is just a process of breaking down the water-soluble soil that is stuck to the carpet fiber, and we do that by applying a preconditioner that is specially designed to break down the soil bond with the carpet fiber and suspend it into a solution. Now, we'll also do any basic pre-spotting for any easy-to-remove spots on the carpet and suspend those as well. Once we get the soil suspended, we move on to the water-soluble soil extraction. And that is done with our advanced orbital scrub and extraction machine. Now, if you'll notice, we are spraying out a secondary cleaning agent while we do this to get maximum soil suspension and extraction. This machine moves in a distinct orbital pattern that cleans all four sides of the carpet as we go over it and extract the oils and the cleaning solution while we do it. Now, this is considered a low moisture cleaning system, so we use about 1/10 of the water as many of our competitors, and that means the carpet will dry much quicker and also eliminates many of the problems we have in the industry of soil wicking or rapid resoiling. After we get the soil extracted, we move on to pile grooming. This is really simple. Here we're just setting the nap of the carpet, lifting it up to where it stands up straight so you get a nicer final appearance, and it also helps the carpet to dry quicker. Now, oftentimes there will be areas of the carpet that have a heavier level of soil, where in the main traffic patterns, the heavy use patterns, where the carpet kind of gets matted down, crushed down, and it's much darker than the carpet around it. And we do have a solution for that with some additional steps that we can provide, which can provide for maximum soil removal for those heavier traffic lanes. And we call that our heavy traffic lane treatment. So let me describe some of the additional steps we're going to do in just these areas. Number one, prior to the pre-vacuuming, we're going to add a pile lifting step to it. What this is designed to do, this is a counter-rotating brush, and it goes in and it lifts the carpet nap up where it's matted down, and it separates the fiber. That way, when we vacuum, we can vacuum deeper into the carpet, closer to the base of the carpet, and get a maximum amount of that dry soil out that we simply couldn't get if we left the carpet matted down when we vacuumed it. Now, after we do this pre-spotting and preconditioning, we're actually going to rub that exact same tool over the carpet again, but the goal is different. This time, instead of just lifting the nap and separating the fiber, what we're actually doing is using the agitation from the brush to work the preconditioner into the carpet fiber to emulsify and break down more of the soil and suspend it so we can extract a higher level of soil. And then after we do the encapsulation, scrub, and extract, we're going to add one more cleaning step in just these heavy traffic lanes where they're still showing some traffic. And this is where we put on this dry compound that you see right now. Now, this dry compound is impregnated with these different surfactants that's designed to absorb any oils and soil left in the carpet into the powder. Now, we're going to take that same counter-rotating brush power scrub, and we're going to work this dry compound so it goes all the way down to the base of the fiber, and then we let it sit there while we do the rest of the house so that it has time to absorb as many leftover oils and soils as it can. And then in that final step that I showed you earlier, which is the pile grooming, if you'll notice on the back of the machine, it has a tray on it. Now this is called a renovator tray, and what will happen is we run the brush over, the brush picks up that dry compound and deposits in that renovator tray, so we're removing that compound along with any soils and oils that attach themselves to it to get maximum soil removal. Now it is important to understand that if a carpet fiber is damaged, it's going to show permanent wear no matter what we do, but our goal is just to get the maximum amount of soil out of the carpet as we can. Now this brings us to the final step, which was the specialty stain and odor removals. Now it's important to understand that I cannot guarantee 100% success in removing every stain or getting rid of every odor. There's a lot of variables to it that I just won't know till I get there. But we do have solutions that will give us the best chance at removing all these different kinds of stains and others. But some of the factors that's going to base our success on is the age of the carpet, whether or not it has protection in it, how long the spill's been there, what type of cleaning chemical you may have already used on it. Even the type of the carpet fiber will have some say in how well it's going to release those type of specialty stains. And the same would go with the different type of odor removals that we can do. So once we come out to the house and we inspect it, we'll give you a better idea of how much success we think we'll be able to achieve at being able to fix these problems. In addition to this, we also offer carpet repairs, things like restretches to remove any carpet rippling or bonded inserts to take care of any holes or frays that you might have in the carpet. And then we do offer 2 cleaning upgrades to all of our carpet cleaning packages. These are optional, but they do carry some benefit. The first one's an EPA certified sanitization treatment, which is certified by the EPA to eliminate organic matter in the carpet. Things like mold, mildew, bacteria, viruses, funguses will be removed with the use of that product. We also offer a fabric protective coating that we apply after the cleaning. This is just designed to help you keep your carpets cleaner longer and looking better longer. So we hope this information has helped you see exactly what we're going to do in your home to get you exceptional results. If you choose to use us, please give us a call at the number listed on this page, or you can fill out the form on this page to request your appointment online. Have a great day.